What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on BitNile company.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that you can accumulate your position right here at this very point, and your stop loss should be slightly below previous bottom or even this bottom. And my main assumption was that we should have at least a technical bounce to unload this entire structure from this top at the end of March to this bottom. And we have it. And my main targets were these levels. It is a 0.236, the price point of roughly 67 cents, and 0.382, the price point of roughly 76 cents. And as you can see, we hit first target with the flying colors. And it is about 21% of potential profits. The highest point was right here at 32% from our entry price, but we didn't hit this range. And for now we have this movement to the downside. Definitely it is not the best retracement because it is quite heavy and it has a decent volume compared even to this one. That's why we have to be cautious. But still, we had a very good movement to the upside and we caught these profits. So even though if you didn't watch my previous video, right here at this very point, when we were approaching the range of roughly 52 cents, I've told you that most likely we will have a double bottom pattern and we should have at least a bounce to the upside. And this bounce happened. And no matter what, but with two of my previous videos, you had a very good opportunity to enter your position at the ranges of roughly 52 to 54 cents. So I will show you what should we expect next from the technical standpoint in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. So let me show you this article. It was published 1 day ago and it says, why is BitNile stock up 15% today? And definitely the main reason of this recent movement is their earnings report. And I have to say that they disclosed decent information and they increased their numbers. And with the huge support of retail community. And let me show you that this asset had a decent support from stock tweets community. It was on the second place on watcher section and on the third place, I guess, on the most active section. But for now, we don't have this ticker symbol on the watcher section, but we have this ticker symbol on the 6th place on the most active section. And also on apewisdom.io, this asset is on the 21st place and it lost about 13 rows during the last 24 hours. And as you can see, the trend is going south. This means less and less people are paying their attention to this asset, and that's why we have to be cautious. So on top of that, let me show you the percentage of institutional owners of this company, and it is only 4.64%. This means the majority of owners of this company is retail community. And because of this, we might see huge volatility on the markets because the retail investors easily buy and sell different shares. That's why we have this movement to the upside right after their earnings report, and we have a huge retracement to the downside. So, and let's continue right here. What else happened with NILE stock? And on March 21st, BitNile announced that one of its subsidiaries, Turn on Green, would become a subsidiary of Imperials. The latter company is also a subsidiary of BitNile. After Imperials acquires Turn on Green, Imperials will change its name to Turn on Green. In the wake of the deal, the combined entity will specialize in electric vehicle charging and with BitNile's help attempt to list its shares on the Nasdaq. BitNile explained that it intends to distribute to BitNile stockholders approximately 140 million of its common shares and an equal number of warrants for Turn on Green's shares. And because of this news, definitely we had this massive spike in its price. from lowest point of 52 cents all the way up to roughly 1.15 cents. And definitely this movement was nothing else but the retracement from its previous swing high to swing low, because we definitely had this touch of its initial bottom, and this means we cannot have the retracement of the third wave. When we broke the bottom of our B wave, we cannot have the retracement of the third wave that is lower than the bottom of initial movement. That is why right now we have the similar situation. And by the way, before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, right here we have this similar structure that we had here, and definitely because of this structure we might hit lower targets, and the bottom of roughly 52 cents might be our next short-term target. And this means if you want to enter your long position with BitNile, just be extremely cautious, because on their earnings report, and I covered it in my previous video, they posted several risk factors, and they are very important for you as a long-term investor in this company, and you have to be very cautious because of this. And for now, let me show you that we have this structure to the upside, and let me give you some example. We have absolutely the similar structure of the ABC correction that unloads the entire structure from the top to the bottom, and we have the same structure of our 5 waves right here. The only difference is the A wave right here. This yellow A wave might be in the shape of a simple zigzag or in a 5 waves structure. And if it is the 5 wave structure, we have absolutely identical two movements until we will see the retracement to the 4th wave. And if the bottom of the 4th wave exceeds the level of the initial bottom of this wave, definitely it invalidates this count, and this ABC correction becomes a primary count. And this means for now we have this structure, and we have to be very cautious with the next movement, because for now I cannot count a 5 wave structure in our first wave. This means it might be the A wave. And let me switch to 5-minute time frame and let me show you this movement in details. So as you can see, we cannot count 5 wave structure in it, but we clearly see 3 waves structure, and definitely if it is the case, it is only an A wave on a greater scale. And right here we have another 3 wave structure, 3 to our A wave, so let me put it like this, 3 to our B and 3 to our C, and this is the bottom of our B wave. And next one, we still have this movement to the upside, and from this bottom we can count 5 wave structure with the truncated 5th wave, and definitely with this movement to the upside we can confirm that we completed all 5 wave structure, and we completed the entire ABC correction to this top. And this means most likely we will hit at least the bottom of our right here of our initial movement, and this means most likely we will break it to the downside. And for those of you who want to catch next trade, I highly recommend you to stay aside for a while, because we don't have enough confirmation from either side. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.